Jawaharlal Nehru Government Senior Secondary School, Kadmat Island, is all set to celebrate the spirit of Independence Day 2026 with an action-packed sports showdown. The throwball girls are ready to serve, smash and fight for victory. Suhaili, Piti, Bengaram and Cheriam, 4 teams, 1 dream.
Far across the shining blue.
Let the games begin. Independence Day Sports Celebrations 2026, Kadmat Island. Where there is a field, there is a dream. Where there is a team, there is a story. And where there is competition, there is a champion waiting to rise.
Where the gentle sea winds play.
Today, the classroom takes a back seat. The playground becomes our stage, and the students become the stars.
Lies a land.
With determination in their eyes, energy in their hearts, and the spirit of sportsmanship all around, Kadmat witnessed a day filled with action, excitement, and unforgettable moments.
Of coral dreams, Lakshadweep so bright.
The football ground is alive with excitement as the boys step onto the field. 4 teams, 1 battlefield, 1 ultimate dream, the trophy. Bengaram, Cheriam, Piti and Suhaili are ready to fight for glory.
Each day, coconut trees sway.
Today's football semi-finals bring together some of the strongest teams in the competition. Bengaram takes on Cheriam, and in the other semi-final, Piti faces Suhaili. 4 teams entered with the same dream, but only the strongest will move 1 step closer to the final.
In rhythm, dancing to the ocean's tune.
A team is 11 players with 1 heartbeat, and today every player on this ground has shown courage, discipline and determination. Whatever the final result may be, these moments will remain part of their sporting memories.
Golden beaches kiss the waters beneath the silver moon. Oh, Lakshadweep.
From the first whistle to the final point, expect passion, teamwork, determination and unforgettable moments.
Islands of light, pearls of the sea, forever bright. Your turquoise waters, your sky so wide, fill every heart with love.
And now, we change the game. From the football field to the throwball court, the energy continues. The girls are ready, the teams are ready, and the competition is about to get intense.
Love and pride, oh, Lakshadweep.
Throwball is a game of quick reactions and even quicker decisions. There is no time to lose concentration. 1 moment of hesitation, and the opponent can take the point.
Paradise true, a treasure of India, blessed and blue.
Every throw has a purpose, every save has a story, and every point brings the team closer to victory. The excitement is increasing by each second. Supporters are boosting the morale of the players. The spirit of the game is what matters. When the body gets tired, determination takes over. When the pressure increases, confidence becomes the difference. And what we are witnessing today is much more than a game. It is a lesson in patience, teamwork, and never giving up.
From Calvary to Minicoy, the stories flow through coral reefs that.
Today, these young athletes have reminded us that victory is not always about the final score. Victory is stepping onto the field when you are nervous. Victory is giving your best when the competition is tough. Victory is helping your teammate. Victory is respecting your opponent. And victory is walking away from the field knowing that you gave everything you had.
Gently glow, fishermen sail with hopes anew. Across the waters calm and blue, the songs of elders fill the evening with tales of courage, faith and grace. A timeless bond with sea and homeland reflected on each smiling face. Oh, Lakshadweep, islands of light, pearls of the sea, forever bright. Your turquoise waters, your sky so
As the day comes towards its conclusion, the memories remain. The cheers, the celebrations, the intense moments, the smiles, the teamwork, and the unforgettable sporting spirit of Kadmat. Today, our students didn't just play games. They demonstrated discipline, courage, teamwork, leadership, and determination. And that is the true meaning of sports. From the football ground to the throwball court, every participant deserves applause. A huge appreciation to the school management, teachers, physical education team, officials, volunteers, and everyone who worked behind the scenes to make this sporting celebration possible. From Jawaharlal Nehru Government Senior Secondary School, Kadmat Island, we salute the spirit of every young athlete. Play hard, play fair, dream big, and never stop believing, because today's players could be tomorrow's champions.